You've set up your small business website, and you're ready to conquer the online world. But there's just one tiny hiccup. No one seems to be finding your website on Google. Fear not, because we've got your back. In this video, we'll walk you through the magical world of SEO, search engine optimization, and show you how to make Google your new best friend when it comes to getting your website found by potential customers. Number 10. Embrace the magic of keywords. Keywords are the keys to unlocking your website's potential. These are the words and phrases that your potential customers are typing into Google when they search for products or services like yours. Tools like Google's Keyword Planner can help you refine your list and identify high-value keywords. Number 9. Create high-quality content. Content is the one that casts the spell of engagement on your website. Google adores fresh, informative, and engaging content. Make sure your content is not only valuable but also optimized with the keywords you've identified. But remember, readability and user engagement are paramount. Number 8. Design a user-friendly website. Your website's design is your spellbook to charm Google. A user-friendly website structure can work wonders for your SEO. Make sure your website is mobile responsive, as most users are searching on their smartphones. Site speed is also crucial. Google's Page Speed Insights tool can help you identify and address speed issues. Number 7. Build high-quality backlinks. Think of backlinks as your website's entourage of admirers. When reputable websites link to your content, it tells Google that your content is valuable. Reach out to other website owners, create guest posts, or collaborate with industry influencers to build a network of high-quality backlinks. Remember, it's quality over quantity here. A few authoritative backlinks can have more impact than a slew of mediocre ones. Number 6. Local SEO. Conquer your hometown. If your small business serves a local market, don't underestimate the power of local SEO. Claim and optimize your Google My Business listing and encourage customers to leave reviews and ratings. This will boost your local search visibility and make sure your business shines in your hometown. Number 5. Keep your content fresh. Search engines love a bit of enchantment, so don't let your website stagnate. Keep your blog updated with fresh content and revisit and revise your existing content to keep it current. This tells Google that your website is actively maintained and provides value to users. Number 4. Monitor and analyze your progress. SEO isn't a one-time incantation, it's an ongoing process. Regularly monitor your website's performance with tools like Google Analytics and Search Console. Track your keyword rankings, website traffic, and conversion rates. Use this data to make informed decisions about what's working and what needs improvement. Number 3. Social media and SEO are like a dynamic duo in the digital world. Sharing your content on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram can help drive traffic to your website. When people share your content on social media, it can lead to more backlinks, further boosting your SEO efforts. Number 2. Stay updated on SEO trends. SEO is a constantly evolving landscape. Google updates its algorithms regularly, so it's essential to stay informed about the latest trends and best practices. Follow reputable SEO blogs, attend webinars, and engage with SEO communities to stay in the know. Number 1. Patience and persistence. SEO isn't a quick fix. It takes time to see results. So, summon your patience and persistence. Keep working on your SEO strategy, and over time, your website will rise through the Google ranks like a phoenix from the ashes. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. If you haven't already, then don't forget to subscribe and press that like button. Also, hit the bell icon, so you could never miss new updates from us. Stay safe, and we will meet you in the next one.